Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for making photomosaic effect for the camera in Unity. Okay, we should take a look at this package. Over here, K0 released this package almost 8 years ago, but he updated it 5 years ago, which called PhotoMosaic. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file of the package and import the assets folder into your projects folder. After that, we should come over here. The PhotoMosaic 1, it has a test scene. Okay, let's take a look at one. Alright, as you can see, we have this view, but in fact, it is this view. Actually, that was an image, an image effect of the camera itself. Look at this main camera. We have PhotoMosaic script, and look at this. We have block size. If I decrease it, it will be like this. Look at this. And if I increase it, it will be like this. Okay, now let's come back to the 32 and let's play the scene. Look at this. It is very beautiful. Alright, let's come back to the main scene here, the main camera. We have this block size. This animator just changed the block size in the frames, each frames. Okay, but here we have album textures. Look at this. You can replace any texture you want instead of these images to be able to make these blocks actually. And here we have the album, but lot here you can use this one for your project. And also for the last one we have the shader for like the PhotoMosaic. In here we have the shader one, so you can replace anything you want. For example, if I stop the scene and add a cube to this guy, look at this. It's pixel art. That's it. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.